Hi you guys, shiashefawn here and thank you for coming back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking one of my not so favorite synthetic wigs and I'm going to be adding some crimps to it. I feel like this hair is just really flat and really boring and I wanted to do something different. So to spice it up a little, I'm going to be taking my golden hot 2-inch ceramic crimping irons. Now these can be found at your local Sally's Beauty Supply store, but of course I will leave a link down below for you guys in the description box so you can check them out if you're interested. Now these in particular have a 6-foot swivel cord, they have a 2-inch ceramic iron, and they heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature dial is right there on the inside. So to start off, I just sectioned the hair. Now the more defined you want your crimp to be, the smaller the section should be. After you have your sections and you set your temperature dial, that's basically it. You just start crimping. So one thing I really do like about these is that they have the little tabs on the side. So as I'm placing the crimp iron on the hair, I can hold the tab and that helps secure the crimp in place and just makes it easier for me, and that way I don't burn my hand. And the last thing you want to remember is just to start your next crimp where you left off with the last one, and that way everything will flow nice and evenly. Every time I put the crimp iron on the hair, I held it in place for about 12 to 16 seconds. The entire process was only about 30 to 35 minutes. It really just depends on how big your sections are. So to finish the style off, I went ahead and crimped the bangs. Also, let me mention I didn't use any hair products on this hair. Again, it is synthetic and I just don't feel the need to use anything on it. Afterwards, if you really want to hold the crimp in the hair, you can spray a little spritz on it, but I just rather not. So when I was done crimping the bang, I took some hairpins and I just pinned the bang behind my ear, and this was my final look. So I am in absolute love with it. I really like it. To me, it looks really natural. If you guys are interested in checking out some of Golden Hot's products, feel free to follow them on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, any of their social media. I do have all links down below for you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comment area, and I will talk to you guys later on my next video.